Hey guys, Jeff from D-Trailers. Are you looking to start a pressure wash, soft wash, mobile car wash, mobile auto detail, fleet wash, or any other mobile wash business? Well, you are in the right place. In this video, we're gonna go over one of our recent builds, and you can look at this trailer and look at the specs and decide if this is gonna be a good fit for you and your business. If you're not sure, leave us a comment and let us know what exactly you're doing, and we can tell you if this is a good trailer for you or if you need to pick one of our other many units. We build more types of units and systems than any other manufacturer. So let's get to it. This trailer is a DBP4. It's a 400-gallon, 4 gallon a minute, hot cold dual axle trailer. The trailer itself is purpose built. That means that the trailer is built for the equipment, which is really important. A lot of the stuff you see out there, they're just taking a utility trailer and bolting equipment onto it and calling it a pressure wash trailer. It's wrong for many reasons. The weight distribution, the balance of the trailer is going to be terrible if you're just using a generic trailer. We actually build this for the system. So it's got extra cross bracing. It uses a stronger upper rail. The axle's in a different place. There's many reasons why we do that, but it's a 5x12 dual axle, 3,500 pound axles, which gives you 7,000 pounds total capacity. It's plenty of payload for the way that it's set up with the water tanks full, and it'll allow for extra stuff that you might need to carry with you on the trailer. This one was red, which is a custom color. All of them are black standard, but we can do any color you can think of. If you have a business theme, if you have business colors, we can kind of follow that with the color of the trailer. So working forward from the back, we'll start at the heart of the unit, the pressure washer. We do a 4 gallon a minute direct drive on this unit. It has a cold water bypass. It's a strong commercial duty pump. We ran this one on a CRX engine. It's electric start, and it's got a strong alternator. That basically the way that this trailer works is that the burner runs on diesel, but it takes its electrical side from a battery from 12 volt. So it's imperative to have a strong charging system on the pressure washer unit. So it puts out 20 amps. You'll never have to worry about that. Electric start also is a really nice to have. It's not necessarily a need to have, but it's a really nice thing to have. You've been working all day, you just go up, turn a key, and it starts up your pressure washer. You can vary your pressure at the engine itself by adjusting the throttle, or you can turn the unloader. 9 times out of 10, the guys out there, they're just using the throttle on it. Anytime you need to adjust your unloader to control it's usually if the engine is not an engine at all, if it's a motor, if it's an electric motor that only has 1 speed, then you would control the amount of pressure that the unit puts out by turning your unloader. So working up from there, we get it up to our water tanks, dual 200 gallon tanks, 400 gallon total capacity. They're plumbed together. We have dual transfer pipes on each side of the trailer so that they equalize very quickly. There's a reason we do dual tanks. Anything over a 200 gallon unit, and mind you, we make this unit in a single axle 200 gallons called a Dynamo, but anything over 200 gallons, we do double tanks. We do multiple. So like if you have 300 gallon, we do dual 150s. If you have 400 gallons, dual 200s. The way that there's many reasons for doing this. Better weight distribution. It gives you flexibility if you need to add it. If you want to keep a different kind of liquid and keep it separate, like spot free, you can do that by having the dual tanks. We use stainless steel straps and aluminum anti-shift plates to keep the tanks from moving around. Do not use motorcycle straps. Do not buy a trailer that has tanks that are restrained from motorcycle straps. It's dangerous. It is not what a motorcycle strap is made for doing. A motorcycle strap is not made for restraining dynamic weight that's flexing, because you got a tank that's flexing. It's very dangerous, very poor thing to do. So do not do that. As I said, stainless steel tank straps on it, aluminum anti-shift plates, keeps the tanks where they're supposed to be on the trailer, squared up on the trailer. We do a drain at the front right and a drain at the rear left, so that you have drains on each side of the trailer. And then working up from there, we've got our gem, our hot water burner. This burns diesel, but it runs on electrical, as we previously stated. It's got an adjustment so that you can adjust the amount of heat that it's putting out. Very efficient unit, gets very hot. It's advertised as a 140-degree temp rise, so you can take your ambient temperature, add 140 to it, and that's going to tell you how much the unit is putting out. As far as the other side of the pressure washer, the output, we do a either stainless or powder-coated black steel hose reel. And this trailer had 100 feet of hose standard, but we can do 200, 300, anything over 300 on this pump setup. It's going to start really dropping. 300 is kind of the max footage that you want on this one. Most guys just run 100s unless they're in a specialty application, or if it's a strictly residential unit, we can do it. We can do 200s on that, and you'll always have enough hose length to do it. So chemical injection comes with them standard. Let's talk about some options. So really, there's only a few options that you would want to consider doing on this trailer. One would be a storage box. We build the trailer wide enough that we can fit a custom storage box in the middle, up above, up in front of the burner. And that way you've got all your storage, all your loose items can go into that. It's a nice way to do it. We can do a dime plate aluminum one or a black one. Really, as far as color schemes on these, like I said, we can go any color in the trailer. We can do the stainless box or the black box, and kind of follow any themes that you might be having with your business. So only other thing really to talk about on this trailer you might want to add is a soft wash system or a spot-free rinse system. We can add both of those. We can do spot-free rinse on this, and we can do a soft wash system on this. If we do a soft wash system on it, if it's the proportioner-based system, we'd probably go with a longer trailer. We'd go with like a 14-footer. If you're just doing one of our modded downstream injectors, you can just leave it at a 12-foot. 12-foot's a nice footprint. 14's good too. We do stuff that's 20s and 22s, but really, you know, if you don't need to have an excessively, I always tell people try and keep it, you know, keep the trailer length manageable. Don't go with something like it gets, there's a big difference between towing around a 20-footer and a 14-footer all day long. If you don't need space, if you don't need a 20-footer, don't do it. Keep the footprint of the trailer manageable. That's important. So over and above that, beyond the equipment, something we can help you with is starting the business. You know, equipment's important, and a lot of people go out and try and build their own systems and start their own business, but then they get to the point where they're starting the business and they're just kind of lost. That's why you'll see a lot of units for sale that are used that maybe only have an hour or two on them. People get building the system, but when it comes to starting the business, that's where they fail. My point is, we can help you. We can help you with that. We can help you with the business side of it. We can help you get the business started and off and running and on the ground, and help you not make the mistakes that a lot of people make. That's important. Nationwide shipping's no problem, and even financing. We do financing now through a third-party lender. So do me a favor. Like and subscribe would be really nice if you did that. Leave us a comment. Any questions you have, drop us a comment. We get back to you right away. And thanks for watching this video. I appreciate it. Take care.